Let me first, at the outset, thank our Heavenly Father for what He has bestowed upon us to reach this auspicious occasion in our national life. And along with that, my profound respect to the owners of the land on which I stand, that is the people of Pohnpei, who have been the gracious host of our nation's capital. About 46 years ago, the founders of our island nation, the Federated States of Micronesia, chose a path of independence and self-government. Through this path, they affirmed our national, cultural, and historic identity, declaring to the world that our people are capable of shaping our destiny. Back then, through that process, the Federated States of Micronesia was born, and our flag was raised at that time. We, the Cochayans, Pohnpeians, Chugis, and Yabis, chose to unite in spirit and in common aspiration. 39 years ago, we took those steps, those first steps, as a free nation, uncertain but unafraid. When we raised the flag of our nation, we showed the world that we are proud guardians of our own destiny. And because our forefathers dared to dream, we dare to build. Because they stood strong together then, we can stand tall now. Let us not forget the history from which we were born. Because my fellow Micronesians, the very act of not forgetting, but remembering through celebrations as this one, is in itself a form of honor. And what better day to honor than our very own National Day? While the transition to full sovereignty was fortunately a peaceful one, the road to gaining independence was not an easy process. That journey began back in the 60s, late 60s, and onward to formalization in earnest on July 12, 1978, when a referendum was held across the 6 districts of the Trust Territory of the Pacific Islands to determine whether they would unite under a single federal government. The people of what would become the Federated States of Micronesia, and that is Yap, Chug, Pohnpei, and Cochai, chose unity and self-determination, setting the stage for the birth of our nation. Less than a year later, on May 10, 1979, the Federated States of Micronesia Constitution was put in effect, officially creating a constitutional democracy, a sovereign government founded on liberty, equality, peace, and most especially unity. This day, now celebrated as Constitution Day, marks the formal beginning of our self-governing journey and stands as a testament to our people's resolve to shape their own future. And then, of course, on November 3, 1986, that long journey was fulfilled. On this date, the trusteeship officially ended, signifying the close of more than 2 centuries of foreign domination and the dawn of full independence. The FSM emerged as a free and equal member of the global family of nations, its own flag flying high. Our independence marked the beginning of a new era, one in which the FSM would stand as equals among nations, responsible for our own progress and our own destiny, guided by the dictates of our own Constitution. Since then, we have set up about the awesome task of nation building and in ensuring that our unity remains intact. This has been the unremitting focus of our Simina public administration. We also have the full mandate in conducting our internal and external affairs, maintaining and gaining friends and partners throughout the world, some of whom we are grateful are with us today. At the United Nations, the FSM holds its own seat, its own vote, and its own voice, just like any other nation, big or small. We have also strengthened our standing in the Pacific community as the proud host of several key regional and international organizations and are proactive architects of Pacific cooperation and progress. As we look ahead to our 40th year of our independence, may we carry forward the same foresight and courage that inspired our founding fathers to protect our sovereignty, strengthen our democracy, and build a future worthy of our children. To all citizens of the Federated States of Micronesia, at home and abroad, I wish you a heartfelt congratulations for achieving this 39th anniversary of our independence. Please take time to celebrate this accomplishment with your families and loved ones. I thank you for your national pride, your patriotism, your perseverance, and your enduring love for our islands. To all our friends joining us in this celebration, thank you for standing with us in partnership and in a shared commitment towards peace and prosperity. Allow me to also take this opportunity to encourage our citizens here at home throughout the 4 states to participate in today's Fly Your Flag campaign. Post a photo of you with your FSM flag with the hashtag #FlagsUpFSM and tag it to the Office of the President. We would love to see you, our citizens, participating in observing our National Day and raise awareness on the significance of this national holiday. To all of our partners and friends gathered here today, once again, thank you for joining us. I also thank everyone tuning in online from across the country and from abroad. Lastly, I would like to thank my staff for pulling this together. Let this be a tradition that we must carry forward every year to remind us all of who we are, that is one people, under one flag, with one future. Long live our unity, and long live the Federated States of Micronesia. Again, happy Independence Day. Thank you all, and please enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.